We're here at Make Eindhoven with the Wobby.club To Riso or Not print technique extravaganza. My name is Koen Taselaar, and I was invited by the Wobby.club to walk around and think of things together with all the participants. It's really quite nice to be in a place where everything is combined, so we have every possible print technique from very old school like lithography, silkscreen, risoprint, but also more exotic things like the toboyo print. And everybody can mess around with it for 14 days, which is very nice because I think by messing around you probably learn the most, and maybe some accidents will happen that can be interesting or be complete failures, but that's part of the whole Wobby.club thing that we're doing here.
Have you seen new ways of combining the techniques by any of the participants you haven't seen before?
Yeah, well, Noah, one of the participants, I think he stained some white sheets with curcuma, and then he silkscreened on them and it turned red, which is very strange. There were the curcuma yellow with yellow silkscreen print turns out to be red, which is very interesting, but or maybe it's very interesting. So it's good that stuff like that happens, and it's just it's also good to be here for a bit longer because I've just started, so we'll see.
Okay.